Good evening. Good evening, everyone. So, tonight naman, we will be discussing yet another prepaid product of MaxiCare. So, the product that we'll be discussing today is the E-Ready. So, E-Ready has two variants, the titanium and the platinum. So, we'll be discussing about the E-Ready Platinum. So, let me go ahead and share my screen. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, what is MaxiCare E-Ready Platinum? So, it is a prepaid product of MaxiCare that covers emergency cases. So, maganda talaga siya kasi when it comes to emergency, we cannot detect or determine when it can happen. So, having at least this coverage will help you with, you know, with your emergency medical needs. So, let me proceed with the next slide here. Yan. How much is E-Ready Platinum?
Yan. So, E-Ready Platinum cost 1,500 one-time payment, good for 1 year na. So, isang variant naman ni E-Ready, which is si E-Ready Titanium, ano naman siya, 1,300 pesos for 1 year. So, ano ba ang difference nilang dalawa? Bakit mas mura yung isa and mas mahal yung isa? Si E-Ready Titanium, kaya 1,300 pesos lang siya kasi wala siyang access sa 9 major hospitals, which is yung St. Luke's, tapos ano pa ba yung mga list of 9 mga major hospitals. So, check ko dito. Yan, yung major hospitals between Metro Manila, which is yan, yung St. Luke's, yung the Medical City, Makati Medical Center, Asian Hospitals, and Cardinal Santos Medical Center. So, si Titanium, hindi siya accredited doon. However, si Platinum naman, kaya siya 1,500 kasi accredited siya sa mga yon. So, if you're around Metro Manila and gusto mo ng quality hospital when it comes to emergency, we suggest na i-purchase nyo ay yung Platinum.
That's right. So, ano nga ba yung mga coverage ng E-Ready? So, when it comes to E-Ready, it covers pre-existing conditions. So, again, this is good for people who already have pre-existing conditions but have limited budget because it covers 25,000 when it comes to emergencies, and you have access to over 100 plus accredited hospitals nationwide. So this one is not limited to the primary care center. So pwede kayong pumunta, or of course again, if it's an emergency, 'di ba? The last thing we would be able to think of is saan ba dadalhin, 'di ba? So usually emergency mabilisan na 'yan. So definitely you don't want na yung card mo is limited lang to a certain hospital. So when it comes to E-Ready, any accredited hospitals naman ni MaxiCare pwede siyang gamitin. Tapos, additionally, it has 50,000 life insurance coverage. So, that's one of the good things about it. Kasi imagine for just 1,500 pesos, you already have 50,000 life insurance, 'di ba? So, that's a lot even in itself. And then for example, kung nagamit nyo na emergency part ni E-Ready, yung inyong life insurance will still be um, in force for 1 year. So if ever something happens within that 1 year, then meron pong makukuha yung beneficiaries ninyo na 50,000 life insurance.
And imagine nyo naman yan na if you pay only, sabi natin, 1,500 pesos for 1 year, tapos nagamit nyo siya sa emergency, ang total bill ng emergency nyo ay umabot ng 15K. Like, imagine niyo yun, sa maliit na halaga, malaki yung naibalik sa inyo.
That is correct. And of course, when it comes to emergency, no, imposible or mahina na yung 1.5, kulang yan for emergency. So sabihin mo ng up to 25,000 yung mako-cover sa inyong emergency bill by just paying 1,500, 'di ba? That's already a lot. So hindi na po tayo lugi. So just to clarify though, it's one-time use since it's a prepaid card. So it covers up to 25,000. So some people may ask, paano po kung hindi pa naubos yung 25,000? Again, as we mentioned, it's for one time use. So kung hindi man ma-maximize yung 25,000, then considered as used na yung card, and you will need to reapply, which is another good thing about it. If nagamit ninyo yung card nyo, pwede naman kayong mag-reapply after certain waiting time, okay? Para makover ulit kayo for your emergency. And then, during the time na nagkasabay yung e-ready card number 1 nyo and e-ready card number 2, yung life insurance nyo magiging 100,000 siya kasi 50 plus 50. So, ganun yung advantage. And also, there are bonus features for this card, just like this. You can have access to 24/7 teleconsult. So imagine, e-ready really is only for emergencies, pero dinagdag na rin namin yung ng MaxiCare yung 24/7 teleconsult. In that way, if you are just experiencing symptoms na hindi naman talaga kailangang isugod sa emergency, then you can still get prescriptions or laboratories and procedures na kailangan nyo ipagawa. Although on that part, hindi na siya covered, but still, a lot of times kapag I'm feeling some symptoms or some type of illness, I don't really need to go to the emergency room right away, 'di ba? You just need to get some first aid or prescription to make yourself feel better. So having an access to the 24/7 teleconsult will allow you to get that medical assistance as well. So yun. And then at the same time, as we mentioned earlier, when it comes to emergency, di ba, you can go to any of our accredited hospitals to get your emergency needs. Now, when it comes to outpatient checkups, meron na rin tong bonus feature wherein you have free and unlimited consultations with internal medicine, family medicine, general practitioner, and pediatrician in all our MaxiCare primary care clinics nationwide. So, again, just to clarify, yung MaxiCare primary care centers are yung mga MaxiCare own clinic. Okay, so there are several clinics already around the Philippines. So, pwede na kayo doon magpa-check up. Okay, so yun yung advantage niya. Now, if ever na kailangan yung magpagawa ng mga laboratories and procedures, then you will have exclusive discounts din naman. For example, if you go to My Health, you will get 15% discount when it comes to your laboratories and procedures if you have the e-ready platinum. Okay, so next is who can apply for e-ready platinum.
And so any individual from 15 days old up to 65 years old are eligible to apply for e-ready platinum. So if you're looking for affordable health card for you or for your loved ones, pwede sila sa e-ready platinum.
Perfect. So that's correct. Again, usually as you age higher, mas mahal na yung premium. So not everyone can afford it. So if you are someone na you're looking for a budget-friendly card, that kung gusto mo lang naman ma-make sure na if ever there's an emergency, mako-cover yung inyong spouse or parents, then this is a good option to consider. Kasi nga, first of all, this is for emergency. We never know when that can happen, but at least for your with your 1,500 pesos, you can get up to 25,000 coverage when it comes to emergency. And then you get a complimentary access to our 24/7 teleconsult and free and unlimited consultation with our internal medicine, doctors in our primary care centers. And 'di ba nga, if kailangan niyo magpa-labs and test, kung i-request yan ng doktor, you can get discount with My Health for 15%, or you can then avail of the Prima Silver or Prima Gold. In that way, kung yung ipapagawa ng doktor is something na covered under the Prima, edi mas makakamura din kayo kasi nga it's also a prepaid card. And Prima Gold and Silver, we've discussed it previously. So if you want to know more about it, you will find the previous live sessions in our page. So you can technically see what's the difference of E-Ready and Prima Silver, Prima Gold cards. Okay? So, next is, yan. So, we always want to remind everyone na when it comes to our prepaid cards, it is covered. I mean, the pre-existing conditions are covered with the prepaid cards. So, to apply for this, you don't even need to have no medical necessary. You just need to purchase the card and register. So we'll discuss that later as well, paano mag-apply or paano mag-purchase ng e-ready.
Yeah. So, ito naman, where can you avail the unlimited checkups? And actually, no, consultation lang yan. Sorry, nakalimutan namin i-edit. Pero, saan nyo ba pwedeng i-avail yung unlimited consultation ni e-ready Platinum na bonus feature? So, yan, we have here the updated list of MaxiCare primary care centers. So, we have in Alabang, Ayala North Exchange, Bacolod, Baguio, Davao, Pasay, and Quezon. Ayan, next. Yan. So, we also have here in Bridgetown, Cagayan de Oro, Cebu Business Park. Yan, meron na din tayo sa Cebu, Laguna, San Juan, sa Imus, Cavite, and Iloilo. And then, yan. So, meron din sa Taguig, sa Eton Centuries, and sa Pampanga, sa Angeles.
That's right. So we also have in Taguig, di ba? And in the future, dadami pa po yung MaxiCare owned clinics. So next is, why apply for MaxiCare e-ready card? So again, it's cost effective. For just 1,500 pesos, you get access to 25,000 emergency coverage, and then you get access to 24/7 teleconsult and free and unlimited checkups to our internal medicine doctors in our primary care centers nationwide. And at the same time, you get perks like discounts with our partner clinics and lifestyle partners. And then access to teleconsult, and then pre-existing conditions are covered, fast application. So can you explain this one, Tia?
So, fast application, ibig sabihin, kapag nag-avail kayo ng card sa MaxiCare shop, bumili kayo, mabilis din, kapag ni-register nyo, ang activation niyan ay 15 days after registering. So, 15 days after your registration and availment, magagamit nyo na siya agad. So, yun, fast application talaga siya and fast availment.
Yes. So again, for example, if you purchase the card today and we register the card holder today, so it's not transferable. So you need to register it to a specific person. But if we, for example, register it today, you just need to wait 15 days and the coverage will already be active for 1 year. So for that 1 year, if there's any emergency, di ba, mako-cover siya ng e-ready card. And then how to apply for e-ready titanium.
So, how to apply? First of all, you need to reach out to a reliable agent. So, bakit mahalagang meron kayong partner agent? So, kapag may inquiries kayo and then may gusto kayong itanong, kailangan nyo ng sa reliable agent. So, iwas scam din. Meron din way to check kung sino ba kung legit agent ba yung kausap nyo or not. Napakita na namin siya sa previous videos namin on our page. And then, Yan, fill out registration form. Meron kami sa team namin, meron kaming sariling registration form. Tapos, avail the card via MaxiCare online shop. So, meron din kaming another option for us lang to send the payment to your trusted agent and let them avail the cards for you. But this option is only for us kasi madami na din kaming prepaid clients na ayun yung option na ginawa nila, na sinend nila sa amin yung payment and kami na yung nag-process, bumili, nag-register and all. Tapos, yun naman, yung option na yan, gagawin nyo lang siya if yung kausap nyo is trusted nyo talaga and alam yung reliable. Then, by the way, if you're looking for one, syempre, hindi na namin iaano yun. I-reach out nyo na lang kami. Yan yung contacts namin sa baba. You may contact us through text, call, WhatsApp, or Viber. Tapos meron din kaming Facebook dyan, yung may blue badge icon. So, yeah. Then, e-card details will be sent to your email within 24 hours after registering. So, once ma-register ni agent or ma-register niyo yung card nyo, isa-send din yung card details nyo within 24 hours sa email na pinrovide nyo. Then, your card will be activated and ready to use 15 days after registering. So, yun yung na-discuss din kanina.
Yes, that's right. So, again, if you are interested to avail of the e-ready card, wag na kayong lumayo. We are here and we are legitimate MaxiCare agent. So, and at the same time, kasi if you have a MaxiCare agent with you, or if you availed it with a MaxiCare agent, 'di ba? Pag may mga question kayo, masasagot din ng agent. Kumpara mo kung sa ano ka bumili, sa mga online shop, 'di ba? Or nakita nyo lang sa ads, then possibly hindi rin nila, or wala ka ring makukuhang assistance. You will need to call the 24/7 customer service. So, yun lang naman yung mga option. And I just want to clarify a few more things. Let me share the details of e-ready as you know, advertised in the MaxiCare website itself. So again, for those na nagtatanong, what is an emergency? So coverage is emergency. So ang mga emergency, yun yung mga life-threatening conditions and or injuries that require immediate medical assistance, such as heart attacks, cardiovascular or cerebrovascular accidents, loss of consciousness and convulsions. So yung mga hindi naman life-threatening, it's not considered as emergency. Ano yung kasama sa coverage ni e-ready? Doctor services for emergency treatment, emergency room fees, emergency medicines for immediate relief and treatment. So iba po yung nire-reseta na iinumin nyo pag-uwi, hindi na yun kasama. Oxygen, IV fluids, whole blood and human blood products, dressing, cast, sutures, X-ray, laboratory, and diagnostics exam. So, kasama na po yan doon sa 25,000. So, again, it's up to 25,000 coverage for emergency. Thus, you have the access to the free and unlimited consultation with internal medicine, family medicine, general practitioner, and pediatrician in all Max Primary Care clinics nationwide. Hindi po covered ng e-ready ang confinement, so only up to emergency. And hindi po niya covered ang ambulance services. Additional benefits, again, as we mentioned, access to MaxiCare telemedicine, 24/7 teleconsult voice call using the landline number, 10% discount on Metro Dental Services, 15% discount on My Health, and exclusive discount from MaxiCare Lifestyle Partners. So marami po tayong mga lifestyle partners. From time to time, nagbibigay sila ng mga discount. So you can take advantage of that. Ano lang yung mga exclusion and limitation? Syempre, yun nga, if na-emergency kayo, tapos dinala kayo sa non-affiliated physician and hospital, then syempre, hindi siya covered. Injuries, infections, or conditions resulting from negligence, alcoholic liquor intake, unauthorized use of prohibited drugs or regulated drugs, diba, while you're violating the law or ordinance, direct or indirect participation in the commission of crime, direct participation in riots, strikes, and other civil disturbances. Kasi kumbaga, you placed yourself in danger eh. So, yung mga, 'di ba, you placed yourself in a situation where you can get injured. So, hindi mo siya masasabing emergency kasi usually ang emergency bigla ang nangyari, 'di ba? War or any combat-related activities while in military service, extreme sports, developmental disorders, circumcision, and sex transformation kasi hindi naman yan emergency, tattoos, body piercing, attempted suicide, acupuncture, congenital genetic and hereditary conditions, and chronic dermatosis. Hindi rin po covered nito ang HIV and AIDS-related disease or sexually transmitted disease. And of course, all pregnancy and maternity-related conditions, hindi po covered ng e-ready. Epidemic or pandemic infectious disease, psychiatric and or psychological disorder, aesthetic, cosmetic, and reconstructive surgery, oral surgery and dental treatments, hindi rin siya covered. All types of vaccines except for animal bites. So, yung mga animal bites lang yung covered under the e-ready, yung mga anti-rabies, ganyan, pag nakagat ka ng aso. Gallbladder stones and other related illnesses, hindi po siya covered ng e-ready. Pregnancy test, hindi rin covered. Take-home medicines are not covered. Medical legal fees and ambulance service are not covered. So, the 6 major hospitals that will be covered under the e-ready platinum are the following. Yung ating Asian Hospital and Medical Center, Cardinal Santos, Makati Med, St. Luke's, BGC, and QC, and the Medical City Ortigas. So again, how to activate, as we mentioned, you can purchase the card using our online shop and then reach out to us so we can assist you in making sure you're registered correctly. And um, so that we can also monitor your accounts for you. So reminder, the card is non-transferable and once registered, and membership is valid up to 1 year from the date of activation. Okay? So present your MaxiCare e-ready card or e-card along with one valid ID with a photo upon availing of the services offered. So by the way, pag bumili po tayo ng card online, then hindi siya um, physical card, e-card lang talaga siya, okay? So no card or e-card, no availment. And then of course, there's a list of valid IDs na pwede nyong i-present. So the card will be considered used and will automatically be canceled once swiped in the POS terminal in the emergency room, and any excess will be covered by the member or the balance amount is not convertible to cash. So again, kung lumagpas yung emergency bill nyo, kunwari naging 50K, yung 25K po, kayo na magbabayad. Tapos kung 25, up to 25K ang i-ready, pero yung bill nyo, mabot lang ng 15,000, yung 10K po, hindi na po siya convertible to cash, syempre. So, members can only avail from one MaxiCare affiliated hospital within 24 hours. So, again, it has to be within 24 hours. Bakit? Emergencies are those that requires immediate medical attention within the first 24 hours. Kung after 24 hours na yan, it may mean it's not that urgent kasi nakahintay pa tayo ng more than 24 hours, di ba? And then you can use more than one card in a year but only one can be active at a time. So for example, kung nag-avail po kayo ng e-ready tas nagamit ninyo, let's say June 1, bilang lang kayo ng 15 days, pwede na kayo ulit magpa-activate ng another one. Pagka naman June 1, kunwari this year kayo nag-avail, tapos hanggang mag-expire siya next year, hindi nyo siya nagamit, 1 day after the expiration, pwede nyo na agad siyang i-renew or i-register. So, for all conditions, the card will be activated 15 days after registration. Okay? So, if you have more questions about e-ready, don't hesitate to let us know. Again, you know where to reach us. We flashed our details on the screen. such as our contact number. You can reach us via text, call, Viber, WhatsApp, our Facebook page, our Instagram, LinkedIn. So we're almost everywhere. So don't hesitate
And
to
active
ask
kami
us.
almost 24 hours.
Yes, that's right. So, thank you and I hope marami kayo natutunan when it comes to the eReady card. Have a good night everyone. Bye.